Good day beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to take measurements on the waist of your male pants before attaching a band to it. My client waist measurement is 31.5, so I'm going to be placing the machine on one of the zipper tip, and I'm going to mark half of 31.5 on this side. That is after you have joined the side seam of the waistband. You can see the way I placed the pull on one of the teeth. Let me zoom in. You know the zipper has two teeth, so you place the staple on the teeth that is falling on the right side, and you take the waist measurement. You can see what I did here. I'm going to place the staple on the right side teeth, or what will I call itself. So I'm going to place the staple there, and the next thing I'm going to do, I will take my measurements on that teeth, the zipper teeth. I'm going to take my measurements, which is 15 7/8 of an inch. I'll take my measurement and I'm going to mark it on the waistline of the pants. I'm using a chalk, and if you have a fabric pen, you can use it as well. And on the part that has a flyer, make sure that your staple is also on the zipper tip. Place it on the zipper tip and you take your measurements. I'm marking 15 7/8 as well. I noticed that the seam allowance left at the left side of the trouser is less than the one that we have at the right hand side. So this is how you are going to fix it. You are going to measure from your notch, from the point that you've marked. You measure the seam allowance that is remaining there, and you also measure the one at the left hand side as well. So I measure what we have here. I think we have like 1 3/8 of an inch, and I'm going to the left hand side and marking what we have here. We have 8 7/8 of an inch here. So you add the two together, you have what you have on the left hand side and on the right hand side together. So whatsoever you have, you divide it into two. We have 2 1/4 of an inch, so I'm dividing it into two like so. I'm marking it on that part. You can see I'm not following what we mark on the waistline before, because you want the seam allowance to align at the center back. That's why we are doing this. So with this video, I hope you've learned something. If you like this video, please give this video a thumb up, and you can also like and share my video so you match the new notch marks together and you stitch it.